If your native language is German, but you're speaking English, you may have a German accent. But what does this actually mean? In this video, I'll be looking at the features that create a German accent in English. There's no W sound in German. The letter W in the German alphabet represents a V sound. This means Germans are likely to pronounce W sounds as V in English. A word like with may be pronounced with.
I am with you. I am with you. We all living in one world. We all living in one world.
Let me be quite clear. Let me be quite clear.
Speak cool. Speak Deutsch.
When you see the letters ng in the middle of a word in English, the G is usually pronounced as g, like hunger, anger, finger. But the letters ng in German may not have that g sound, so a German speaker may pronounce hunger as hunger.
A world without hunger. A world without hunger.
Linguists give vowels names to make it easier to talk about them. The vowel in the words Germany, concern and learn is called the nurse vowel, and it's made with the lips relaxed. It doesn't exist in German, but this vowel, made with the lips rounded, sounds similar, and Germans are likely to use it for the nurse vowel in English.
I just arrived from Germany.
But what is my main concern? My main concern. They have to learn how to. They have to learn.
In Germany, Austria and Switzerland, people speak different varieties of the German language, but most of these people will share the same characteristic accent features when speaking English. The speaker in the next clip is originally from Austria, but he also rounds his lips for the nurse vowel. You can see it in the words emerge and personality.
I just happen to emerge as the personality, the merge as the personality.
The terms voiced and voiceless describe whether a sound is made with the vocal folds vibrating or not. If you make a long V sound, you can feel the vocal folds vibrating inside the larynx. If you make an F sound, there are no vibrations. German words don't end in voiced consonants. This means that final voiced consonants in English may turn voiceless. They are devoiced. You can hear the voiced V sound in drove, 5, move and above turn into a voiceless F sound.
And above all,
So I drove the tank and we had 500 of those tanks. So I drove 5. You can't move. You can move.
The voiced Z sound marks the plural in the words owners, dealers, telecoms, platforms and users. But a German speaker is likely to devoice that Z and turn it into a voiceless S.
Copyright owners, dealers, telecoms, platforms, users.
Similarly, the voiced D sound in hand and wide turns into a voiceless T sound.
Talk to the hand. Talk to the hand.
The German citizens are the oldest global-wide. Global-wide.
Can you speak ein bisschen Deutsch with me?
The A vowel sound in words like naturally, language and battle is called the trap vowel. German speakers are likely to change this vowel to an E sound when speaking English.
As naturally, I can express my thoughts better in my native language. Natural language.
It's not a battle, it's a competition. Battle.
Drücken Sie sich bitte etwas klarer aus für mich.
The ow vowel in words like houses and allow is called the mouth vowel. In contemporary British English, the vowel starts more front in the mouth, ow. But German speakers are likely to start this vowel further back, which gives the impression of a deeper sound.
First of all, I would like to thank both Houses of Parliament most sincerely for allowing me to stand before you today. Thank both Houses for allowing me.
These are just some of the features that create a German accent in English. Of course, there are many others, like R and L sounds, but I can't cover everything in one video.
I'll be back.
It's not easy speaking another language. Firstly, the sound system may be different. We saw this earlier with the English nurse vowel which doesn't exist in German. Secondly, the letter-to-sound correspondence may be different from language to language. For example, the letter W is pronounced as W in English, but V in German. It's important to realize that the same letter may represent one sound in your language, but a different sound in another language.
You're shitting me. I'm not shitting on you.
If you're a non-native English speaker who wants to improve your pronunciation, then sign up for my online course. Go to my website to find out more.
It's wonderful.
If you've enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your German-speaking friends.
So I wish UK all the best.
Achtung, Achtung, England und Amerika.